We have a new Lulu opened in Nuaija. We are going there. Uh,
Like Lulu.
Raj, do you want to go there?
No.
Why? You don't want to go there?
No.
You don't want to go there?
Okay. Oh.
Let's go and see the new Lulu. Okay?
It's not a Lulu. That's a toy shop.
Raj, what is that? We're going to Lulu, right? I already ordered. I think it's just near our house. It's not very far, yeah? So we have reached to Holiday Villa Signal now.
Or I want to know. I want the Lulu.
You wanna go to Lulu?
We're going to go.
Okay.
What are you gonna buy from Lulu?
Buy you skeleton and T-Rex.
We don't have that.
Oh, this is the one. I still remember. We came twice here to shop in Safari. Safari! Yay! This is Lulu!
We're here.
Yeah, because last time it was.
Creative director at the back, just simply sitting there.
Where are you now, Raj?
Okay, guys, let's shop.
Hey, shoe. 35.
Are you free? You free now?
Read it.
Read it. What is it? So it's next time.
Papa,
Yeah. Yeah, on the cheating day, no?
You buy a Raj.
Please. Fish. Oh, a different color here. The brown one. like. Yeah. Where is mommy's room? Oh, oh.
Creature.
Wow, you got some nice toys.
Yeah.
Good.
Again.
Wait, 5 seconds.
Hey.
Hey.
Sea creature.
Oh,
Sea creature.
you happy?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, that's an E. Yes.
That's right.
Yep. Raj, you want pizza? She got. You know what? Maybe this is like the. Control, mommy. Control.
Mommy, me too. Me too, Papa.
So after the shopping, we are heading home. You know, when hunger calls you, you have to stop somewhere to buy food. This is one of our favorite restaurants where you can find nice grilled chicken. I'll show you the shop. It's called Alibaba. You want to buy some nice grilled chicken when you're in Mansur?